taking a look at angle 2. Just going to go ahead and run through this. Should be able to get it pretty quick now. 125, angle 6, 65. Okay. I'm going to leave all the vocab to you, but I am going to use the rules of the vocab to get all this done. So alternate exterior, 125. If we do same side exterior, we should have 125 on angle 2 add up to angle 12 as being a supplementary. So whenever you do same side exterior, same side interior, those are going to always add up to be 180. So 2, we're going to take it away from 180. 55 degrees. Okay, now we can do alternate exterior with 12 and 1. And we can do vertical, 55, 125, 125. All right, I'm going to move over to the other side, line N, and go vertical on that, 65. Alternate interior to 14. Vertical on that to 15. And then let's take it away from 180. Find its supplement. 5, 1, 115. All right, so 115 going vertical to 13. Alternate interior and vertical. And we got the whole thing done, man. Nice. All right, now for the test review. This gets a little sketchy. There's a whole bunch of stuff going on here. The thing that threw me the most, and made me actually have to think, was this right here. Because I was sitting there going, all right, there's nothing telling me anything about it. And then I looked at the sides and I saw what type of triangle it was. It's an equilateral. All equilateral triangles have 60 degrees in each angle. If you have 3 equal sides, you have 3 equal angles. So to get the supplement right here, be 120, because we take 60 away from 180. And the same thing over here. Now trying to piece all this together, we can go, I'm just going to jump all over the place. 35 and 4. So 35 degrees and angle 4, that's a supplementary angle. So 180 minus 35, 145. So angle 4 is 145. Supplementary for 60 and angle 9 is going to be your 120 again. Now, whenever we start looking at stuff like the triangles that aren't equilateral, and we have a rule to know that everything is 60 degrees, this is where some of the tricky stuff comes in, where you just kind of got to know. When you're looking at a triangle, you're looking at 180 degrees. If you're looking at a rectangle, you're looking at 360 degrees. If you're looking at a straight line, that's 180 degrees. If you're looking at a right angle, you know that's 90 degrees. For example, right here, you got 90 degrees. We can go ahead and just mark that 90. And since we can go ahead and continue this line, and we know that that's a 90-degree angle there, we know that its vertical angle is 90. We know that the 90 plus the 90 is going to be 180. So we know that this over here is 90. There's no evidence pointing to anything other than these both being 45, because it's a 90-degree angle split in half. To figure out angle 16 right here, you can do supplement. So supplementary angle to 125. So 180 minus 125. 55. All right, now we have 55 and 90. That gives us 145 degrees. What's left for angle 10? So to find out what's left out of a 180-degree triangle, and we have 145 degrees, we need to take it away. 35 degrees. So far we have everything on the top, the top exterior part of the transversal is completely solved. All right, so we can go vertical from 16 to 17 right there, 55. We can go vertical from that 125 degree over to number 13, which is 125. This is where the alternate interior will come in handy. So we can go over to here, 125. We can go from 17 to 2 is 55. And now we know that angle 2 and angle 15, supplementary angles. So whenever we take away the 55, we're going to get 125, which is a vertical angle from right here anyway. And then there, vertical angle from 2. So you can see here that you have 20 degrees, 125 degrees. If you wanted to guess and check yourself, you could, because you have 145 degrees right here. And we already found out that that's 35. So 12 should be 35. And we can always check that because we could do the supplementary angles right here, 45 plus 145 plus 35, and you should get 180, and you do. And that also checks out with the 35, 125, and 20. Supplement to angle 19, that's going to be 180 minus 20, 160 degree angle right there. And that should be everything. I'm just giving one more look. I know I went through that pretty quick, but I mean, you can always pause the video and go back. If you have a question, send me an email, send me a text, whatever. Let's get it right.